Oh, this is a new iPad that was bought on eBay, but it doesn't want to do anything except this message comes up all the time. iPad unavailable. Try again in 7 hours and 47 minutes. Got this 6 months ago. Keep pressing it, and this comes up, but not the actual information I'm looking for. But this thing does work, but I don't know what to do with it. And if it's supposed to be doing it, maybe somebody out there in YouTube world knows how to run one of these things or fix it, or before I break it up and throw it in the trash, or take it apart and see how it looks. And oh my God. Unfixable junk, I guess they call that. Oh, really? Yeah, that part works. I don't know why that works. But you never know. Little chip out of whack or some stupid thing, but iPad unavailable. Try again in some hours. Why is that? It's so stupid. I'm so used to the real stuff. This synthetic AI garbage. Right, Evio? Hi. I sit out in the sun for at least 3 hours. I enjoyed every minute. You're barking at everybody, of course. Little mini Aussie. Yeah, so funny. You're pretty funny last night. You're resource guarding. You growl and you get angry. I say, go take it for a bath, and you drop everything, huh? This guy's something else. Little alien creature, huh? Oh, you're poking me. Oh, you long nose. Boing, boing. Can you fix this iPad, Evio? Here. Look. You fix it. I know, you're trying to get it to run the YouTube. Look, the other one's pretty good. I know, it doesn't work. Can you fix it? I'm trying. You got something. Oh, wow, maybe I think EVO just fixed it. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let me move it around here. Let's see, EVO. Yeah, he's trying. Boy. You're doing your best, I know. Yeah, I've been doing that too. Nothing happens, so maybe you'll fix it. You need more light. Kind of dark over here. Look, let me get it. Okay. Here. Over here. I see better. You got something running. Well. Pretty impressive video. Get this thing around this way, huh? Good boy, working hard on it. Yeah. Let's see, you got something. That's that film thing again. Hmm. Well, you give up? ABL, you give up trying to fix the iPad? I don't know what to do, though. Does nothing, EVO. Sorry, I tried myself, and you're smarter than I am. EVO, you're smarter than I am. Why is this thing so foggy? Turn the lens, I guess, huh? This one runs, but barely. I know, it just doesn't work. Can you press the home button? Oh, I bet that did something. Oh, Evie, oh. He's trying, I'm telling you, he's really smart. Let's see, Evie, oh. Still going at it. Come on, Evie, you fix it. You giving up? Oh, phooey. I thought you were going to fix it for me. Oh, Evie, oh, come on, be good. You didn't fix it. Go get an iPad. Evie, oh, iPad. iPad. Go get a fix the iPad. Go fix it. Oh, boy, that's like me, huh? I get very bored of internet stuff too and trying to fix it. I don't know why it says wait 7 hours for it. Try again. That's totally ridiculous. I don't know what the hell that means. I should look up on the online, but oh well, you know. Put this down for a minute and go see what's going on here, right, EVO? Well, you got something running. You got time. You got, let's see. I did something to it. Towards the power levels. And it says lock. 100%. 3:57. Friday, March 15. Yeah, that's correct. How do you get rid of that lock stuff? Don't know, ABL. I'm trying myself like you did, but nothing happens. How funny, huh? Why are you gonna lock it? Oh, this garbage, you know. See, I know. You were doing this. You've got better results than I did. Oh, that came up, okay. You got the clock working or whatever it is. Anyway. Oh, vitamin time, but other than that, nothing else happens to it. Totally ridiculous. I see my paws and your paws on here too. unlocks this, passwords for this and that. That's just totally nutty. I'm gonna see what happens later on, EVO. Okay.